Welcome to Daily CoinCu Crypto News. Here are today's headlines. Invesco withdraws the decision to launch Bitcoin futures ETF. Russia wants to replace US dollar reserves with digital assets in the long term. Cosmos announces new blockchain launch, Sagan. Celsius is responding to NYAG's approach to crypto lending platforms. Coinbase announces multi-year partnership with the NBA and WNBA. Now let's dive into the details of these. Invesco withdraws the decision to launch Bitcoin futures ETF. Invesco Limited gave up the pursuit of an exchange-traded Bitcoin futures fund hours before the first such product was launched on a U.S. exchange. In a statement, the company said, "We have decided not to pursue the introduction of Bitcoin futures ETFs in the short term. However, we will continue to work with Galaxy Digital to offer investors a full range of products with exposure to this transformative asset class, including finding a technical asset ETF." Russia wants to replace US dollar reserves with digital assets in the long term. As Russia continues to push for de-dollarization, the State Department, MFA Russia, is reportedly considering replacing the US dollar with traditional fiat currencies and digital currencies. In an interview with the local news agency Interfax on October 19, Alexander Pankin, Russia's deputy foreign minister, affirmed the country's plan to reduce the US dollar's share of Russia's international reserves and use it for settlement with foreign partners. The official said the Russian Foreign Ministry was not ruling out the possibility of replacing the US dollar with some digital assets, along with other currencies. It is possible in the long term to replace the US dollar with other currencies, both national and regional, as well as some digital assets. Cosmos announces new blockchain launch, Sagan. The cross-chain network Cosmos is building a new blockchain to allow developers to experiment with different protocols. In its critical quarterly report released on October 19, Cosmos said its Sagan blockchain is currently in development. The project presented the blockchain release in a video message with a quote from the renowned astronomer Carl Sagan and an image of an interstellar canary. Celsius is responding to NYAG's approach to crypto lending platforms. Cryptocurrency lending company C Network has confirmed that it is one of 3 platforms asked to provide information to the New York Attorney General. In a blog post Tuesday, Celsius said it was not one of 2 unnamed crypto lending platforms that New York Attorney General Letitia James ordered to cease all operations. Instead, Celsius said it was working to provide information about its business to New York regulators. Coinbase announces multi-year partnership with the NBA and WNBA. In the 19-19 announcement, Coinbase announced that it was the exclusive crypto platform partner of the National Basketball Association, or NBA, the National Women's Basketball Association, the NBA G League, the NBA 2K League, and the U.S. Basketball under a multi-year sponsorship agreement will. According to the NBA, Coinbase will create unique content, innovation, activation, and experiences for basketball fans to learn more about the crypto space, as well as partners in the WNBA Commission's Cup, the National Team Exhibition Tour of the men's and women's basketball teams the United States, and the NBA G League Ignite.